This one, you can choose to take it out. It's not necessary. You can choose to take this one out. So mangoes, dandelions, and ginger. I like garlic, so I put garlic in there. But if you don't like garlic, you take it out. This is the main thing. I just like garlic. I like the smell of it. I just like garlic. I like the smell of it. I love garlic. And salt washed. Salt washed. Even mango salt washed. Because we are going to blend the whole skin. Ice. We put our ice in there. Do this. The ice will serve as water. If you don't want to use ice, you can put normal water. The ice will make it chilled while it's blended.